WordPress.com now has an official Claude connector. What this means in practice is that it's really simple for you to connect your website to AI and chat to it with no technical knowledge needed whatsoever. Now, in the version we've released, it lets you talk to your website and get information about your website, such as your analytics. But in the upcoming version, you're going to actually be able to edit your website, which is going to unlock all sorts of creative things for you. So in this short video, I'm going to show you how to set everything up and start using it. The first step is to go and download Claude Desktop to your computer. It's available now for Mac OS and Windows. So just download it, go through the install process, and it'll get things set up for you. Now, Claude do have a free plan that you can start off with, but as you start to use it more and more, you may find that you need to upgrade to the Pro plan or even the Max plan as you really get cracking. Once you've installed Claude, go to your WordPress.com account, go to your profile, and then on the left, you'll see a menu item that says MCP. Click on that, and then simply just toggle on where it says Enable MCP. Now for the final step, go back to Claude, go to Settings, and you'll see on the left, there's a menu item that says Connectors. Click on that, click Browse Connectors, and search for WordPress.com. Simply click on the connect sign. And then all you have to do is click on the blue Approve button, and that will link your WordPress website to your Claude account so you can start chatting to your site using AI. And now you're all set up to use Claude to chat to your website and interrogate it and do lots of other cool stuff. So in this example, I have a yoga website and I'm asking Claude to list the last 5 posts that I've published. Next up, I asked Claude to compare my website to one of my main competitors and come up with an SEO plan, and it did it in just a few minutes. It was quite incredible. And then the final thing that I asked Claude to do was to analyze my website and create a professional brand document that I could go off and send to my design agency. The WordPress.com and Claude connector is available for you to use right now, and as I said at the start of the video, we'll be adding even more functionality to it over the coming weeks.